So next is topic 5, requirements elicitation. Okay, the definition of requirements and requirements engineering. Okay, what are requirements? Requirements are statements that describe what a system must do and the conditions under which it must operate. They represent the needs and expectation of users and the organization. Simple definition is requirements explain what the system should do, how it should behave, and what constraints it must follow. So what is the requirements engineering, RE? Requirements engineering is a systematic process of identifying, analyzing, documenting, validating, and managing system requirements throughout the system development life cycle. The purpose of requirements engineering is to ensure the system meets user needs, reduce system errors and rework, and improve project success. Okay, next is number 2, requirements engineering activities. Requirements engineering involves several key activities. Number 1, requirements elicitation. What is requirements elicitation? It is gathering requirements from stakeholders to understanding user needs and expectation. Number 2 is requirement analysis, which is examining and refining requirements, resolving the conflicts and ambiguities. Ambiguities macam ambiguous. Number 3, requirement specification. It is documenting requirements clearly and formally, and producing a software requirement specification, SRS. Software requirements specification, SRS. So number 4 is requirements validation. Ensuring requirements are correct and complete. Reviewing requirements with users and stakeholders. Number 5 is requirements management. It is controlling changes to requirement and keeping requirements updated throughout the project. Okay. So next is requirement elicitation technique. What it is? Requirement elicitation techniques are methods used to collect requirements from stakeholders, which is A, traditional elicitation technique. What we have under traditional elicitation techniques is number 1, interviews, one-to-one or group discussion with users. Number 2, allow detailed understanding. Macam hari ni lah I nak pergi meeting dengan mesra. So one-to-one or group discussion with user. So it allows detailed understanding. Number 2, questionnaires and surveys. We collect information from many users quickly and suitable for large organizations. Number 3, observation. It is analyst observes users performing tasks and helps understand real work processes. And number 4 is document analysis, which is we reviewing existing documents, forms and reports, useful for understanding current system. And B is contemporary, tadi traditional. So this one is contemporary elicitation technique. Number 1 is joint application development, JAD. It is structured, workshop involving users and developers, and encourage collaboration and consensus. Number 2 is prototyping. Prototyping is developing a preliminary system model. It helps users visualize requirements. Number 3, brainstorming is group discussion to generate ideas and encourage creativity. Number 4 is use case and user stories. It is describe system function from user perspective, common in agile development. Okay, next is documenting workflow using activity diagram. What is activity diagram? Activity diagram is a UML diagram that shows the flow of activities and decisions in a system process. What is the purpose of activity diagrams? To visualize business processes, to understand workflow logic, to identify parallel activities and decision points. And the main symbol used is initial node, which is start, activity, which is action, decision node, which is diamond, and control flow is arrows, and final node is end. For example, start, arrow, user submit request, arrow, system validates data, arrow, decision dalam kurungan valid, tanda soal. Next, approve or reject. Next is end. So nanti kalau dapat soalan pasal activity diagram UML ni, kita guna je lah 5 benda ni. Lepas tu kita kembangkan related to the soalan tu lah. So the types of requirements. Okay, types of requirement ni ada 5. Which is yang pertama adalah functional requirements. Okay, dalam functional requirements ni, dia describe what the system must do. For example, the system shall allow users to log in. Number 2 is non-functional requirements. It is describe how the system performs, include performance, security, usability. For example, the system shall respond within 3 seconds. And number 3 is user requirements. It is written from the user's perspective, and it is easy to understand. For example, user want to view their order history. Number 4 is system requirement, which is detailed technical requirements and used by developers. Number 5 is business requirements, this is high level organizational goals. And for example, improve customer service efficiency. Okay, so what we can summary from this chapter is focuses on understanding system requirements, the activities involved in requirements engineering, various elicitation techniques, documenting workflows using activity diagrams, and identifying different types of requirements. Effective requirements elicitation ensure the system meets user and business needs.